Welcome back, guys. Oh, I should say welcome back to KAPtion. Welcome back to KAPtion. Today I'll be using this red garland in my hair. Red Christmas. Don't talk. Don't talk. Welcome back to KAPtion, guys. Today I'll be using this red Christmas garland in my hair for style number 2. So this is the style that I did yesterday, and I'm just going to tweak it. So I bought it at Island Department Store for I think $3.29 or $3.95, and I'm just going to start by wrapping it around. I'm going to pin it right here. And I'm just going to keep going around with no overlap. And around and around and around and around the school bus. Is perfect for your ugly sweater events. Stop talking. This is my ugly sweater. It's perfect to wear to an ugly sweater event. I don't have an ugly sweater, but this will do. I'm going to put this NARS lipstick on, Le Palace.